In this tutorial, I'll show you how to switch between RTH and ETH in TradingView. By the end, you'll be able to quickly toggle between regular trading hours and extended trading hours on any TradingView chart to view pre-market, after-hours, or full-session data. First, let's use the quick toggle on the chart. Look to the bottom right corner of the chart for the ETH/RTH button. Click it once. When you click, the chart switches between RTH and ETH views. In ETH, you'll see extended hours data. For stocks, that includes pre-market and after-hours candles. For futures, it shows the full session outside the regular pit hours. Click the button again anytime to return to RTH and hide the extended period so you're only looking at regular market sessions. If you don't see much change after clicking, that usually means the symbol doesn't have extended trading data available, or there isn't any activity during those times. That's normal for some assets. The toggle still works, there's just no additional data to display. Now, here's the settings method, which does the same thing from the chart menu. Right-click anywhere on the chart background. In the menu that opens, select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Symbol tab. Find the option labeled Extended Hours, and toggle it on to include pre-market and after-hours for stocks or full-session data for futures. Toggle it off to show only regular trading hours. Click OK, or close the window to return to the chart. You'll see the chart update immediately based on your selection. From here, you can move between these two methods whenever you need. The ETH/RTH button is best for quick switches while analyzing a chart. The settings route is helpful if you're already adjusting other symbol preferences and want to keep the extended hours choice consistent with those changes. Either way, you're doing the exact same thing, turning extended hours on or off. Once that's done, take a moment to confirm you're viewing what you expect. In ETH mode on a stock, you should see additional candles before the market open and after the close. In RTH, those candles disappear, leaving only the regular session. On futures charts, ETH reveals the full overnight session, while RTH focuses on the core trading hours. If you switch symbols and notice the ETH/RTH toggle looks the same, but the chart doesn't change, it's usually just a lack of extended data for that instrument. Not a problem with your settings. At this point, you know both ways to switch between regular trading hours and extended trading hours in TradingView. By clicking the ETH/RTH button in the bottom right corner of the chart, or by right-clicking the chart, selecting Settings, opening the Symbol tab, and toggling Extended Hours. This reliably lets you include or exclude pre-market and after-hours data for stocks and full-session data for futures, so you can analyze price action exactly when you need it. That's it. The switch between RTH and ETH in TradingView is set and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.